Hey everybody, Ms. Schwartz here. We are ready to do our initial spelling deck. So remember, when I do this, I will make the sound, point to you, you echo the sound, and name the letter, and then you will write it. So you will need either a dry erase board with dry erase marker and eraser, or any blank piece of paper. Remember, we use unlined paper, so it can be scratch paper or copy paper, construction, whatever you want, just unlined. And any type of writing utensil, pen, pencil, marker, crayon, and then later we'll be talking about some sensory objects you can use to do this activity as well. So let's begin. Pull up my screen. So I am, hold on, I shared the wrong screen. I'm still trying to figure all of this out, so give me 1 second. There's my ladybug. Remember, you can slow down this video or speed it up on YouTube by going to the settings. So this may be a little different for Ms. Schwartz as well. Because I'm sitting down, I am holding the pen in the correct position. If I was standing up on the dry erase board, remember, we hold like a fist, thumb, and hold out like this. If you're standing up doing a dry erase marker. So we will be doing one of those in the next week or so as well. I'll do a demonstration standing up. The other thing is, remember, if you're sitting, you're in writing position, both feet on the floor. If you're right-handed, then you have your paper tilted toward the left with your left hand at the top of your paper. If you are left-handed, your paper is tilted to the right and your right hand is on top holding your paper. It's important both feet are on the floor. You may be at home and your feet don't touch the floor, or you may be on your knees, but just try to be in the best writing position you can while you're at home. So how this will work, and it's a little different than when we do at school, is I will make the sound, point to you, you will echo the sound, name the letter, write it, and then I'll wait approximately 5 to 10 seconds. I will echo the letter, name it, and write it so you can double check your work. Are you ready? P. Erase. Now, if you are using notebook paper, don't erase, obviously, just do another arrow right below it. If you're using the dry erase board, leave your arrow and just erase what you wrote. L. O, L. Remember naming our letter. Erase or draw your next arrow. H. Remember, H looks like an L on your approach stroke. Erase or draw your next arrow. T. The T has the same approach stroke as the I. S. Erase. Draw your next arrow. N. N. Sorry, I went a little quick on that one. So I'll give you a second. Erase. Draw your next arrow. This is all new learning for us. I. I. Erase. Draw your next arrow. A. Erase. Draw your next arrow. Z. 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 Ooh, is it Z? Your parents are going to think it's Z, but what is it? Z. S. Because we are working on the letter S that makes the sound Z as in nose. Good. Erase. That was a little trick for your parents, not for you. F. Remember, the F starts off exactly like the L also. Erase. Last letter, D. 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 Remember, the D looks like the A and has the same approach stroke. Erase. Okay, good job. You may have been a little rusty, and that's okay. You don't have to send me pictures of this, but if you want to and you do it on paper, feel free to snap a picture and share it with my Gmail. So that ends our initial spelling deck, and I will see you next time.